Yield! And what the fuck are you doing now, lady? Go! Jesus. Dingbat! Stop! What?
Right here on the sidewalk in front of the Diamond Inn on Boston Street.
Yeah, see what the fuck you doing, dude?
Gunshots fired. Even O'Day was
God, I have 100 of these fucking... you ran the red light. Yeah, you ran the red light. Jump, get the fuck off my butt, thank you. Come on, go, dude, will ya? What the hell are you doing down there, boy? Or whatever I just said. It was a red light runner. Are you exit diving? Shut off your high beam, scumbag. Thank you. Stop tailgating, not the weather for it. Oh, Jesus! Thank you, Mr. Possum. Stop. 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 It's highly irresponsible of you, Mr. Snowplow. Red. We're in the red. Stop. 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 Stop! Yield, yield, yield. Give me a dirty look. Yield. Yeah, I don't care. I did that. Thank you. Fucking looks like a creep. Thank you. Too close, thank you. What are you doing? Yeah. Left turn, dive. Go, kids, let's go. Yes. Look. Give me the finger, old man. You're the one who didn't look. Fuck you. Fuck. Go back to masshole land, masshole. Stop. Come on, let's go. Get out of my trunk, dude. And stop at the stop sign. Oh, you're a masshole, so you're gonna roll it, ain't you? Yep. Yeah, masshole rolled it. Thank you, masshole, for rolling it. And you too. Who else? You three.
Turn right.
Pfizer's booster shot published in the New England Journal of Medicine.
Yeah, you.
Over 800,000 Israelis over the age of 50.
Want to look, you dickhead?
Double vaccinated at least 5 months before.
Stop tailgating. Hi, someone in the crosswalk. One flying Suburban, a Tahoe, whatever. Ha ha. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks, wine mom. Yep. Check to the left lane, whatever the freak that thing is. K&A. Wanna go left lane speed, mofo? Hello. Hello. Yeah, Yeah. Okay. Work, man. That wasn't smart. Down the bone. Put down the bone. Okay, and what are your options? Well, tell me what they are. I don't have Facebook in front of me in the car. I can't tell what you're looking at.
No tab, no window, no incognito window, history downloads, bookmarks, Zoom, print.
No, no, no. No, you're in the wrong one again.
That's the one that...
Not above your name. On the very top in the gray bar.